Hello there, I hope you're having a wonderful time today. I want to quickly take this moment to say thank you for what we have passed through this year. Particularly there have been this domineering evil, this COVID-19 pandemic that have taken away a lot of our loved ones. But we made it. This is the 31st of the month of December 2020. We are still here. We are still here not because we are the smartest people, not because we are the most intelligent, but we are here. And we are here together because humanity will survive. To all of you that are still there, that are fighting, I say thank you, because this fight continues. This fight to make sure that we are able to return to our normal life continue. Right now, millions of people are in their home, are locked down because of the fight to contain the virus in different parts of the world. This is part of the things that have happened this year that is make this year a different kind of year. All my life, I've never seen any kind of experience like this. But what can you do? This is what has happened this year. But this is not the only thing that have happened this year. A lot of beautiful things have also happened. The beginning of 2020, and I said I was making an experiment with online training classes. Beginning from then till this moment, it has been very interesting, and it's continuously becoming interesting to me. It's something that is really very beautiful, an opportunity for me to reach out to thousands and thousands of people from different parts of the world. This is something I'm really proud and grateful for. So I really want to thank all my students from wherever you are. I've gotten more than 50,000 enrollment in my different classes. I have more than 30 different classes that I've put out there that people can enroll on. So you might say, okay, I've made a lot of money from it. Well, not yet, because I first wanted to experiment. I want to really prove to myself that I'm able to do what it needs to be able to continue to provide content for people in this line, because I've never been doing this before. I didn't know it was going to be this rewarding. So I started it by giving these classes free to the people. And it happened that the more I bring out these classes, more and more people are beginning to, more and more people continue to enroll in it. Up to the point, just now I check, I have more than 50,000 enrollment in my classes from students that are coming from nearly 200 different countries of the world. This is something fascinating. It's really it'll be fascinating for me, it'll be encouraging for me also. So to all of you, my students, I really say a big thank you. A big thank you for you for the confidence you have in me, for the encouragement, for the support. Because without you, probably I would not have continued to create this content, because your feedback has really been very encouraging to me in that I'm the one that created the classes, but I'm not the one that is going to consume them. So I will not be able to validate it. When you create any product, you need to put it to the market. It is the market that validates it, that tells you that, okay, it is fine, it is worthy of the attention of the people, and therefore people can then pay a price for it. So I really want to thank all of you. Thanks also to my friends, thanks to my supporters, wherever you are in different parts of the world. I say a big thank you. I live in the city of Verona, so I want to also use this moment to say thank you to all the people that are working very hard to make sure that we live this particular moment in the best way possible. So thanks to the police, thanks to the medical experts that are continuously working. Basically, they are making sacrifices to make sure that life returns to normal, because we all know that the life that we are living today is not normal. This is not the way that we have lived for hundreds of years. We have continuously lived a kind of a normal life where we go out, stay with friends and talk and embrace and hug ourselves. But this moment, we are not allowed to do that because there is this dangerous virus that is in the air and is making it difficult. It has basically constrained our life to living solo lives. We are going to survive this. Come 2021, starting from tomorrow, we are entering a new phase, in that this year that we are entering into is going to be a beautiful year for all of us. And to the thousands of subscribers to our YouTube channels, I say thanks to all of you, because you have also been very encouraging to me. Because if you didn't subscribe, if you didn't watch the video that I'm putting out there, I wouldn't know if maybe the video that I'm putting out there make any sense to you. So it's because of you, because of your contribution, because of your comment, your like, and your sharing that I'm able to understand. Because when I go to the statistics, to look at the view, to look at the data, I understand that someone somewhere is watching this video And that sort of boosts my morale, that sort of encouraged me to continue to put out this content, which I know is going to be of use, of value to people that are out there. So I say thanks to all of you that have subscribed and that will continue to subscribe come 2021. Because as we progress into this new year, we are going to do even more. We're going to produce even more content, more educative content. Of course, like you know, most of our content are educative content. They are content that help people to improve themselves. And we do it with all pleasure in that through your feedback, we understand that the effort that we are putting in day and night, every day, to create this content, that someone values it. This is very important for us, because without that, it becomes a little bit difficult for us to know whether we are just wasting our time. But thanks to you, we know that we are not wasting our time. To the good, to the bad people, all the people that are out there, all of you, you are important, because it is the combination of all these different people that make our life worthy of living. Otherwise, it would have been difficult. So whether you are a friend, whether you are a hater, whether you are the one who never cared, it's okay. All of you are important to make this life worthy of living. It gives life energy. Because without that, if we were just only positive or only negative or only neutral, life would have become more monotonous. It is because of you that I will continue to struggle. I will continue to put out content there. I will continue to do what I'm doing, because I know that someone is having the value from it. And this is what it really takes. So for my family, both at home in Nigeria and here, I say thanks to all of you for your support, for your encouragement, and for being there. Because without having somebody that is there, you cannot be here, you know, or your being here would not make any sense. So every one of us, wherever we are, for the fact that we are there, for the fact that we know that we are there, is a kind of a support, it's a kind of a moral support to help us continue to fight our battle. Because life, as you know, is a battle we continuously fight. All right, so I just quickly want to take this moment to say thanks to all of you, and that we remain in our continuous struggle, to remain on the positive side of life, and to remain always encouraged and know that we have a reason for doing what we are doing. And that reason is to make our contribution to our collective existence. So this is a greeting from Obehi and family. So from my beautiful wife, Ofure, and my son, Efwa, we say thank you very much and happy 2021. Thank you, all of you. Thank you.